Right, we're waiting for Zach and Eggy. I don't know where they are, man. They're late. Come on, boys. We need to get here on time. Let's go. We are recording. Is it? I know, but warm up because, like I said, I pulled some. Oh, look at that. Where are those guys, man? Let's just practice. Good shot. Should have let that bounce off the glass. That's it. Whoa, yes, yes. So, this is a shot I was practicing. This is the shot I was practicing, isn't it? So I would stand here, I would go there. So trying to fly off there. Or the other one I was practicing was standing here, doing a smash and getting the ball to come over the net. Oh, there you go. Wicked. Oh, there you go, bro. So what you do is bounce the ball near that white line. There you go. Perfect. Just get it over the net. It took me a few tries. And then I was trying this shot from here, trying to do the kick smash. You see, it's flying that way, but it's not just going right now. I need to be a bit more flatter.
You're hitting it straight.
Yeah, so what?
All right.
You're supposed to angle it a little bit like this. Supposed to angle the racket a little bit like that. You don't like the backhand.
Here.
So
Start this side today.
which side do you want to be? No. What are you doing, man? Heads up, rock, paper, scissors. No, do rock, paper, scissors.
Already got the advantage. You've not played in like 2 weeks.
Oh, don't give me that.
Ask him, how long has he played?
Yeah, he hasn't played for a week.
But you played with us 2 weeks ago, you know about?
Since then, yes.
Rock, paper, scissors, kar. Start.
Go first.
I am bothered, man. I'm just trying to practice.
Sorry we're late, guys. We're playing the thing.
Is that ours? Is that Wilson ours?
Are we playing Golden and then Advantage? Yeah?
No, that's somebody else. There. Oh, the new balls, yeah? New balls. Huh?
You actually give us a good game.
Let's go, let's go. Sorry. Oh, smash. Oh, smash, yeah, ready. There you go. Hey, catch you again. All right, let's go. Brilliant.
See that, is it?
It's game on. All right, just you start serving. Let's go. Huh? All right. This is we've been waiting for this all up. Oh, we've been waiting for this since Eid. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Out. Remember, new balls there, they'll fly. Oh, unlucky, good shot. Oh, unlucky. Yeah. Golden. Who's having the golden? Juice, yeah, go. Do you want to do silver or? Do you want to do silver or go straight to silver? Okay. Yeah, sorry. Red header. No advantage. Advantage to you, man. Golden. Golden point. Yeah, bad boy.
There you go. Every single time we go to head.
Start arguing already. Bro, you had that game. You had that game, Kassab. Let's go. Shot. Yours. Played. Oh, unlucky. Yeah, sorry. I left it for you. Sorry, unlucky. It's a good try, good try. Let's go. No, I love 15. $15 all. Yep. Yep. Third. Is that a game? Oh, it's a quick one.
That was good luck. Hard to get home.
Got it. Had it. Good. Got it. Yours. Ooh, unlucky. 30, love. Out. One shot. It's going out, bro.
Fail.
Out. 40-30. Out. Hit the glass, man. Customly hit the glass. I could have played. It was out. I could have played that. No, he hit the glass. It was long, lah. You see it was long. It went over.
He literally said it.
Which? He hit this. He hit it direct. If he came this high, I would have played it on. 1-1. Is it 1-1? Sorry. 2-1. 2-1. Sorry, Zach. Ooh, that was a good shot, that. Ooh, unlucky. Let's keep those rallies going. Played. Yours. Oh, yeah. I tried to go back there. 30 off. Two all, yeah? 2 all. Let's go. Game on. Game on.
Hit and run. Shot.
Easy.
Nice.
40-15. Did it? I don't know. Game. 3-2. Quickly, we don't have time. 3-2. Suddenly, Velcro Man has come unstuck. Let's go. 3-2. Yeah. Lobs as well, lobs. Mix it up, yeah. Good shots. Gurian up it. Played. What a shot. Beauty. That's it. Mix it up. That's it. Perfect. I love 30. Love 30. Come on. It's 17. Love 30. 1-2. Yeah, no worries. We need to get this lead, that's all. He called it. He saw it. He saw it, man. Oh, replay that. He saw it, man. No, I didn't see. I didn't see. He saw it. I did. Leave it. 30 or leave it. All right. 30, 40. 30, 40. 30, 40. 30, 40. Let's go. Allah, he called him, man. Come on. 30, 40. Come on. Huh? Oh, all right. 15, 30. Okay, sorry. It's 30 all, yeah? You haven't won the game yet. Shot, Zach, shot. 30, 40. Yeah, 40, 30. 40, 30, yeah. 40, 30. No, you get the order wrong in it sometimes. Huh? Is it to me? Ronila? Deuce. To me. Out. Yeah, don't worry. We're not making fake calls. We're not making dodgy calls, man. Shot. Advantage to Haider, come on. You had this game, man. Advantage, it's advantage. Pressure. Aye. Golden. Googly. What a googly, bro. 4-2. He went like this and the googly went like that. Let's go. Chalja 4-2 jaldi kar. Gonna try this new serve now. Ready? No, well, it turns out we won that game, so you cheated. Yo. Sorry, I'll leave you. Let. Out. Nah, 30. Oh, 15 all. $30, 15, 30. One of them was going out, I think, for me.
Twice here, twice here.
15-4, yeah. Ah!
Awesome.
Go, let's get to baby Padel. Let's push the box.
If we get this, it's 5-3. 4-3, come on. Quickly, quickly. Sorry, just relax, don't worry. Be quick, we got half an hour, man, come on. Reverse googly. come on, hold it together.
All.
30 all to him. Late. 30-40. He got too excited. 30-40. Yours. Shot. Five three. Your turn. 5-3. We'll stay for you. I left that gap open. I knew it was going. Out. No, that was in. No, it was in. It was in. No, that was out. That was out. When he hit it, I called out when he hit the glass. Quality shots, quality. Let's go, let's go. No. 30-15, 30-15. No, to us. We were love 30 up, man. Bro, we were love 30 up. Come on, I'm counting. Keep the score, yeah. 40-15. Set point. Out. Swap over, quick times. Can you tell Lucky? Just give it a little less juice in it. Yeah. My serve. Oh, it's their serve, isn't it? It's your serve. Another 6-0. Cage. Ow. What are you doing, man? You saw it happens. Let's go, it happens. Unlucky there, unlucky. Love 30. Love 30. Let's go. Love 40. The ball like this.
Almost came out.
60. 50. I played the same shot again. Third time's the charm. Yours. You. I never hit the glass. Alright, go. I can't even remember. It's alright, sorry. Is that 2 points now? Easy. Yeah. Deuce. Ready? Advantage. Ah, beauty, beauty, beauty. 2-0. Quick times, quick times. Where's the clock? Let's go. You thought I was going there? He worked then, he worked. Love 30, love 30. $15.30. Unlucky that, unlucky. Anna. Sorry, 30-40. Come on, 3-0. 3-0. He overstretched. I shot it to him. Don't know how you ended up there. It's alright, it's alright. Trust your partner.
Go, just take it easy.
15 love.
Go.
15 love.
Yeah, man, lucky, got lucky there. I gave you low.
Let's go. 15-30. 15-30. Well left. 30 all. 30 all. $30-40. Bro, he hit the cage, man. Allah, he hit the cage halfway here. He hit the second cage here, second plane. Yeah.
Come on, let's finish off.
That was in slow motion. I thought you see juice. Surf, advantage. Out. Confirmed. Golden. Played. Who wants a golden? shot. Golden, brother, golden. Golden egg. Unlucky 4-0. Yeah, that one. 4-0, come on, we're running out of time. What a sweet return. Bro, it bounced, man. The effect. The ball got killed. I hate backspin. 30 love. Yeah, it's right, your side. No, because the ball got killed, it was backspin. Carry on wasting time. Nah, he just hit a good shot. Not to do with cheating. 15-30, let's go. Surprised you got to that. $30 all. $30-40. Juice. Brilliant. Deuce. Let's go. Good return. See how you can play when you're just relaxed, innit? Advantage. To me. Out. Carry on. Just give it to her. Advantage. Okay. Advantage. Carry on. You got the point. Advantage. Golden. I'll take it. It's all right. Well, yes.
Waited for a second.
Yes. Look, 5-0. Yeah. Right, ready? Oh, shot. Out. Literally bounced down, man. 15 love.
30 look.
Good shot, good shot. 30-15. Good shot, that, good shot. I like that. Whose ball is that? 30 all. It's all down to Eggy.
No, 40-30.
Yeah, it was 30 all, wasn't it? 40. 30-40, yeah. Out! Juice!
Come on, let's do what we do best.
Advantage. Is that a light that came in my advantage? No, it's advantage. It's not golden. I just served to you. I served to him. Remember, I did that. Tahu advantage, yeah? Yeah, tahu, yeah. Ah, my record. All right, let's finish off. Then we can piss about. That second serve, he hit the cage. It needs to be a valid serve, like after. Yeah, that's out. He still never made it. It's let. Come on, finish it off. Oh, no point now. Let's break him here. Let's break him again. Yeah. To him. 40-15. He's got a good returning. How is he your serve? Didn't he just serve? Yeah, it's his serve. 5-2, come on. What's happening with the set? With the first serve? What's happening with the first serve? Oh, he's trying some. Shot. $15, 30. 30, 15. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and now it's a fourth serve. 30, 15. Shot. $30 all. In. Come on, that's freaking off-putting, man. It was in clearly. Don't be talking, Julie. It's in. Come on. Wait. Time, bro. We need to wrap this up. Then we're gonna piss about. Who serves it? 5-3. Come on. We're taking Mick now. Come on, finish it off. I want to finish you off because the game then is ended. Quickly. Fucking 1 hour. What the fucking comes late? Leg. 30 all. Alright. It's 7 to me. Let's go. To me. 40-30. Let's go. Ah! What is... Woo! Juice, come on. Juice, let's go. Come on. When these guys are at net, just lob him. When he's at net. Advantage, come on. Yeah, 5-4. Told you to lob the guy, man. Fuck's sake. Let me finish you off now. Damn! It's pissing me off now. Carry on, carry on. You won the point, just flipping, carry on. Over the net. Yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, fuck, the lights are gonna go off.
Shot. Go on.
35th. Out.
15. Last one. Come on. Come on, ball away.
Sorry. Game.
Done.
Real before the lights went out. Played, lads.
Come on, man.
Good comeback.
Let me down a little bit.
What do you mean? I'm making all the points up to 5-0.
Yeah.
You know?
Surprised the lights are still on. Nah, they're gonna go off. They're gonna go off anytime. Loud ball now. Alright, he's practicing. Played had pulled it off at the end. I just wanted to hurry because then they'll go home saying, oh yeah, we now finished the game.
We started
5-1, man.
chilling because these lot were just chatting and.
Yeah, no, it was what it is. It was a funny probability thing. You know, we had a series of funny things that. Lucky, man. And you know, very close.
It's funny playing with.